Good morning, everyone. I wanted to do calendar. Let's do our rule song. Ready? Eyes on teacher, eyes on teacher. Listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands, and a calm body, and a calm body. First, I wanted to show you, I have some 10 frames here, and I want to do a little activity, okay? Let's pick a 10 frame. Next to every 10 frame is a number. What number is this? It's 2, right? So I'm going to color in 2 dots in my 10 frame. 1, 2. Does this look like 2? Yes, let's count. 1, 2. Great work. Let's pick another 10 frame. Let's do this one. What number is this? 4. So we're going to make 4 dots on our 10 frame. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
3,
4.
4. Here are 4 dots in my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Let's do one more. What number is this? It's number 8. Let's do 8 dots on my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This looks like 8 dots on my 10 frame. This one a little darker. There we go. That is matching the number to the dots on my 10 frame. Awesome job. So we're going to start with calendar. All right. Let's start with the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay. Yesterday was Monday. What's today? Good. Can you tell me? Think in your head. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Great job telling me it's Tuesday. All right, let's do the months of the year. We know there are 12 months in a year, so let's start with January. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. What month is it? Can you tell me? Yes, the month is June. June starts with the letter J, right? J, U, N, E. Now it's your turn. Great job spelling June. All right, now we have to count, and we're going to stop right here. We're going to stop at the star. Ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What comes next? Excuse me. 9. Today is Tuesday, June 9th. Great job. A 9 looks like this. Good. All right. So now let's go to our digital calendar and we're going to do the weather. Okay? Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you, please? Won't you, please? All right, now let's look out the window. You tell me what the weather is. All right, so I'm seeing at my house there's some clouds and there's a little bit of sun. So it's partly sunny today. Here we go. Great. Let's do the temperature. The temperature today. Right now, it's 64 degrees. 64 degrees. So I would say 64 feels a little warm. Which one is warm? That's warm. Nice job. All right, in the season, right? There's 4 seasons. Let's look down here. Fall, winter. What's this one? Yep, and what's this one? Good. The season is still, you know this. What's the season? Spring. Good. Because remember, summer is on June 20th. So it's still springtime. All right. I think that part is all done. So let's say the whole date together, okay? All right, get ready to tell me the date. Today is Tuesday. What's the month? June. What was this number right here? 9th. Good job. 2020. The weather today is partly sunny. The temperature today is warm, right? It was 64 degrees. It's warm. And the season is what? Spring. Great job doing Tuesday's calendar, friends. I'll do a video this afternoon, maybe a summer vocabulary, maybe some ice cream scoop activities. So we'll see you later today. Bye.